Hello guys, welcome back to another inspo. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you Samsung subwoofer blinking blue, meaning and what do you need to do. So, also it would really be awesome if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started. So you may have noticed that your Samsung subwoofer here may have that flashing blue light. So you're wondering what it is, what it actually means. Well, isn't something that automatically means that the subwoofer is broken. That blinking blue light basically means your subwoofer is trying to connect, but something's stopping it from successfully pairing with your subwoofer. So there are a few things that you could try doing here. So first things first is you may want to power cycle your subwoofer. Now before you do anything here complicated, start with a simple power cycle. Just unplug the subwoofer, leave it off for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This can actually clear out minor glitches or connection hiccups. Often this alone gets the blue light to stop blinking. Now, next is you want to recheck the connection. Now, the most common reason for blinking is the connection problem. Make sure your subwoofer and soundbar are within close range and not blocked by walls or other devices. Now, if you're using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, recheck the pairing process. If it's wired setup, double check that all cables are properly plugged in. Also, make sure there's no signal interference from other nearby gadgets like routers or smart devices. Next is you want to update your firmware. Like any smart device, your subwoofer and soundbar might need a firmware update to work together smoothly. Often, in this case, you want to open the Samsung SmartThings app or whatever app it's compatible with your setup and check for updates. Install any that is available. Outdated software can cause pairing failures or weird behavior like continuous blinking. And also, factory reset your subwoofer. Now, if it's not working, your next move here is to factory reset it. This clears out any messed up settings or pairing attempts. In this case, the exact reset method depends on your subwoofer model, but usually there's a reset button or a sequence involving the remote or power button. And once reset, try pairing the subwoofer with the soundbar again from scratch. And if nothing works here, the following thing you could do is just contact Samsung support. Now, in this case, it's possible there's a hardware issue here, like a faulty internal component, power supply problem. So at this point, the best option is to reach out to Samsung support. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.